Okay. Charles Schwab sees 90% spike in crypto interest. Plans spot Bitcoin trading in 2026. Charles Schwab reported a 90% year-over-year increase in its visits to its crypto platform, with clients now holding about 20% of all US crypto ETPs. 90% spike. Wow. What does that mean? Means more crypto adoption is happening. This is a very good indicator. This is stuff like this that causes crypto to go up in value. This is what drives up crypto value. I know they're talking about Bitcoin ETFs, but I'm going to explain to you in a minute or two how it matters for the whole crypto market. Right? Charles Schwab is seeing booming engagement from retail investors in its crypto products. In an interview with CNBC, CEO Rick Wurster said the visits to Schwab's crypto platform have increased by 90% year over year, signaling strong investor appetite for Bitcoin ETFs, Bitcoin futures, and other crypto exchange traded products. Schwab's clients now hold roughly 20% of all crypto ETPs in the US. Wurster emphasized that the company is responding to this demand by providing a wide array of crypto investment options and educational resources, combining digital access with traditional client support through calls and branch offices. So there's a very strong appetite for crypto products, according to Schwab. I can tell you, Charles Schwab, they're big, man. They're big in the United States. And if they're already doing crypto, tells a story. They're not gonna sell crypto products if there's no future in crypto. You know what I mean? It obviously has to be legitimate. Charles Schwab will also offer spot Bitcoin trading in the first half of 2026. CEO Rick Wurster shared the news during Schwab's third quarter earnings call, where the company reported $134 billion in net new assets, marking a 48% year-over-year increase. So a lot of money flowing in, that's what he's saying. It says here, just in $11 trillion, Charles Schwab says the interest in their crypto products is increasing with 90% more visits to their crypto site. Earlier this year, the firm announced plans to offer Bitcoin and Ethereum trading driven by client demand, noting many wanted to consolidate their crypto holdings with Schwab. Wurster's thoughts in the Charles Schwab's earnings call marked the first time the bank put a tentative data on the initiative. The push into crypto comes alongside Schwab's broader record-breaking quarter. Total clients' assets reached $11.59 trillion, up 17% year over year, and a daily average trades jumped 30%. The firm's strategy, Wurster explained, focuses on offering both advanced trading platforms like Thinkorswim and guidance for new investors, making crypto accessible and understandable for a broader audience. In other words, they just want to dumb it down so the average person knows how to do crypto, knows how to buy crypto, how to store crypto, all the basic stuff. That's what he means. Yeah. Traditional finance is jumping into Bitcoin. Well, that's what they say. Earlier this month, Morgan Stanley released a report telling clients they allocate a maximum between 2 and 4% of their portfolios to crypto, primarily Bitcoin based on risk profiles. The report described Bitcoin as a scarce asset, akin to digital code and suggested it could play a legitimate role in diversified strategies. They all start off with Bitcoin. But when Bitcoin goes up, then all the other altcoins, they tend to follow and they tend to outperform. Bitcoin. But Bitcoin is the main indicator. Talks about portfolio rebalancing that doesn't matter. Apparently the US bank announced their new digital assets and money movement organization. It hopes to accelerate development of and grow revenue from emerging digital products and services such as stablecoin issuance, cryptocurrency custody, asset tokenization, and digital money movement. So all the whales are starting to come in. Banks. And banks are very conservative. You see, they're very conservative. You gotta understand that. And if they're coming in, it's a good indicator, and they want to make money too. Also, institutional holdings of Bitcoin ETFs rose to 870 million in Q3 2025, up from 117 million from the previous quarter. So more money is flowing into Bitcoin. And when it flows into Bitcoin, it will flow into other cryptos like our XRP, XLM, XDC. But it all starts off with Bitcoin. Now we're going to have a look at look at it. Like they're like a bank, a financial provider, investment management company, and they're already offering Bitcoin funds. Like, you look at this. The reason why I'm showing you all this, as boring as it is, I'm trying to show you the whole crypto adoption that's happening. This is why you're not rich off XRP yet, because it's too early. But we will get there, but it'll take some time, So people can buy like crypto related stocks and stuff, Coinbase, MicroStrategy, They can invest in mutual funds, they invest in the broader digital asset ecosystem. They can invest in cryptocurrency, coin trusts, listed options and stuff like that, in crypto related securities, crypto futures. So that's what I wanted to show you. If you haven't bought your crypto yet, check out Caleb and Brown. I'll put a link in the description for you. They're the best crypto exchange in the world because you get institutional grade custody and you get your own personal broker and it's free to sign up. They'll look after you real good. I can vouch for Caleb and Brown. They even have an app, so you can trade on the app, or you can log in through your PC, however you want. They got most of your cryptos there, all the good stuff, XRP, XLM, XDC, Algorand, Quant, they have it. Do check them out. Please like and subscribe, would be greatly appreciated. I hope you learned something. Crypto Mastermind out.